welcome. Today's video we are talking monthly favorites for September. I can't believe it's already October. I am ready for 2020 to be, I'm ready for Christmas. That's that on that. I'm telling you guys right now, November 1, the tree is going up. That's where I'm at in my life. I did it last year. I loved it. It's beautiful. Anyways, I'm rambling. Today's video, like I said, is all about my monthly favorites for September, and these were the ones that were most in my life. Like, holy guacamole, you made a change, you made a difference, I really enjoyed you, and I wanted to talk about you. So anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We're all about the positivity, and it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, we play in makeup, we unbox subscriptions, and we just have a good old time. We're not about the negative life. So hopefully decide to stick around if you are having a rough day. Hopefully by the end of this video your day will brighten up a smidgen, or you'll find some things that maybe you didn't know were out there that are now going to become your favorite. I don't know. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. So I'm excited to be partnering with Dossier once again on one of my favorites, guys, their perfume. If you guys love high-end luxury perfume, but you're not like all about the expensive, crazy prices, yes, like my eye is twitching when I think about what I paid for this bottle of perfume. Is it good? Yes, but would you like to get it for like, I don't know, $100 plus less? Then you might want to consider Dossier. So anyways, guys, the nice thing about Dossier is it's not $100 and some odd dollars for this. It's anywhere from like $29 to $39. It's under $40 for the full size perfumes. The nice thing about Dossier is, the first thing is they send you a sample size. So before you even bust into the full size, which by the way is 1.7 ounces of perfume, you do get a sample size to try out. If you try it out and it doesn't mix with your body chemistry, you can return the Dossier perfume for a full refund. No questions asked. Didn't work for me? Cool. All right, return the in. So the nice thing about the Dossier perfume, like I said, is they have scents for the very high-end expensive scents. And I can tell you, by the way, guys, the one I have on today, oh my gosh, I love it so much. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, they did change the names of some of these. So the one I'm wearing today is called Oriental Woody 7. Now, if you go to their website and you check it out, it's actually called like Gourmand White Flowers, I believe. This is actually inspired by the VIKTOR and ROLF FLOWERBOMB. And I have to tell you guys, hands down, 100%, this is literally smelling just like this. It's insane to me. And again, the price under $40 for this. The price, don't want to talk about it. Like, I really just don't want to talk about it, you know. But this stuff smells amazing. And the one thing that I did notice, because as you guys know, I did talk about Dossier last year, I noticed that the scents last on me, it lingers on my clothes. But I actually asked them when I received this, I said, did you reformulate it? Because this stuff is lasting even longer on my clothes and on my hair and on my skin. And they said, yeah, we actually did, and that's awesome that you noticed. It definitely lasts longer than it did before, and like I said, it literally smells just like the VIKTOR and ROLF. I will pop up the name because I could be saying that right, the Gourmand White Flowers. I could be saying it wrong, so I'll pop up the name on the screen for you guys. But like I said, with the holidays coming up, this would be an amazing gift. They always run sales. You can go in onto their website and sign up for their text messages. They always let you know when sales are going on as well. So yeah, I would definitely consider this. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about, and I know this is something that you guys have actually have picked up and have told me like you are loving yours, is the NuFace Trinity. I know I've talked about this for months and months and months, but you guys, it is one where I actually notice a difference if I haven't been using it, and especially around my jawline with quarantine, weight gain and all of that. I'm like, where's the jawline? And I've really been working the jawline and the neck area and everything, and I have to say I definitely notice a difference when I have not used this. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about, and this is actually new, but you guys know my love of OlaPlex. So I did this stupid thing. If you guys follow me over on TikTok, you would have seen it, but I took purple shampoo, the Redken purple shampoo, which it wasn't the Redken that did it, it was my stupidity. I left it on for like 15 minutes. I don't think there's a shampoo out there that you should ever leave on your hair that long, especially if you have color treated bleached hair or anything like that. And my genius butt thought it would be great. Let's make a TikTok and make my hair cooler toned. No guys, just follow the daggone directions on the back of a Redken bottle and it'll tell you. Just wash your flipping hair, rinse the stuff out, no more than 3 minutes, you're good to go. That's where I'm at in life. So anyways, my hair, all the moisture was sucked dry out of it. It was awful. So ended up picking up the OlaPlex number 0 that goes and mixes with the number 3, which you guys know I've talked about the number 3 treatment forever and ever. I love it. I talk about the shampoo and the conditioner as well. So yes, my hair has been getting a lot of treatments, and I want to talk about how I brought it back to having some shine again, and Hailey was able to color and everything. I used the OlaPlex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. Like I said, it's number 0. What you do is it primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects your hair. And it's for all hair types, whether it's color treated or not. So because my hair was like so dry and exhausted and like, Rhonda, you screwed up. And I'm like, yeah, no, thanks. I went ahead, I put this on for like 10 to 20 minutes. So then after about 10 to 20 minutes of 0, I went ahead and piled on the number 3, which it does come in this particular set. It does come with like a sample of the number 3, but I already had one open. So then I left this one on probably for like 30 minutes, and then I went in with, well, you gotta shampoo it out. And then I went in, which I used the last of it, the Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Conditioner. And I left this bad boy in for a good probably hour in my hair. And these products combined together night and day. It brought my hair back to life. It gave my hair the moisturizer, or the moisture that it needed for my screw up. And I have to say, I definitely recommend it. So don't screw up your hair. The other thing I did was, obviously in between shampoos, you typically need to use like a dry shampoo. I tried not to do any type of dry shampoo, but what I did use is the IGK Anti-Social Overnight Bond Building Dry Hair Treatment. And I probably went like 5 days just, you know, using this and like refreshing my hair and just building and bonding it back up. And I should reevaluate that. All of these products together brought my hair back to what it needed, and it was insane, guys. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. It was bad. It was so bad. So don't do that. Like, do not do what I did. Matter of fact, like, yeah, I was crazy. So anyways, moving on from there, I had to talk about this. This is the Luxe Gradual Tan Lotion. This stuff is amazing. This was one of the picks in the BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe box. I do pay for that, and I love it. You guys already know that I was using like the tan drops or a tanning foam, and that was fine. But then obviously once that dries, I'm the type of person, I need a lotion. Like, I don't need anything like crazy thick, but I need something to give me, I mean, I have thyroid issues. So if you guys have thyroid issues, you know your skin's already kind of on the dry side and you need that constant moisturizing. So that's what I really liked about this. It's not like an intense type of moisturizer, but it's enough that I'm not like itchy or scratchy or anything like that after my shower. And I absolutely love it, to the point that I bought 2 more, because I don't know if this sale is still going on, but over at Ulta it's $29. And if you use the code, what was it? Was it Boxy? 30 or Boxy Luxe 30. If I can find it, I think I actually posted about it in our community tab. So check out my community tab for the coupon. I don't know if the coupon is still good. I'm assuming it's probably only for the month of September, and I'm trying to get this video up like October 1st, so sorry. But that's why you need to be subscribed and follow me, because like I said, when there are good deals, there are coupon codes, something goes on sale, I always let you guys know about it in our community section. So anywho, moving on from that, a lot of you guys have been asking what type of tanning product I have been using on my face. And actually, prior to getting the Tan Luxe, I was using this one by Saint Tropez. This is the Purity Vitamin Sunless Tanner or Self Tan Bronzing Water Mist. I can use this on my face with no like reaction. I haven't tried the lotion yet, but I've been using this on my face. I just take like a powdered brush and massage it into my skin, go down my neck with it and down my arms and everything. But again, it's not a lotion, so then eventually at some point I need a lotion over here. But the one thing I definitely love about this is, like I said, it has a lotion built in, and I haven't noticed any type of streaking whatsoever. The one thing I will say with like a foaming type of product or spray kind of product is, because I need that moisture and I need that lotion, and even after I let it dry, sometimes I do end up streaking, only because maybe like the lotion might not mix with the spray. But I will say this works great on my face. It's really good, guys, and it gives you like a really natural glowing, just came back from Hawaii type of look. I really like it. Last, oh no, not last, okay, and then the next I have to talk about the Lumify eye drops. You guys, if you have allergy eyes, like for here in Kentucky, it is ragweed season and it is kick your booty season. It's like you start contemplating, oh my god, is it the Rona? No, you're good, it's just ragweed. And I'm like, oh, yeah, like it's a lot. So anyways, I've been using my allergy drops, and then before I do my makeup, I use some of the Lumify. It is wonderful, like wonderful. It really truly helps with my allergy eye as far as that goes. Next, I want to talk about, and again, this was an item, this was sent to me by BoxyCharm, but I also bought it for add-ons. I was like, why? I know there's more to it. So this is the Marc Jacobs Youth Quake. Now, I've heard amazing things about it from you guys, and you guys aren't fibbing. This stuff is amazing. It was available, like I said, for add-ons. I am like going through this stuff. This is wonderful. I use it sometimes before I even apply my makeup, almost like as a primer. I use it in the evening. It is very comfortable, and like I said, it plays nice with my makeup. You don't get any of those peeliness or anything like that. So really wanted to let you guys know, if it becomes an add-on again or available for Boxy pop-up or something like that, I was able to pick it up for like 12 bucks. I would definitely recommend it. Very good. And two more products I want to talk about for the lips. This again was something that was in, I think, our premium box for September. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Scrub. Now it's funny because at first, before you get to the gritty part of it, it was like really moisturizing, and I was like, oh, that's cute, like not real gritty, but it was very comfortable and I liked it. Then I used it enough that I'm finally made it to like a really good grit, and if you apply this stuff right before you do your lips, wow, your lips look beautiful. They look like healthy and smooth. And I've been going in, which I have on a little bit of this today with a little bit of this. I go in with a gloss a lot of the times, at least today I did. And this is the e.l.f. Tinted Lip Oil. A lot of you guys were asking me over on Instagram what was on my lips, and it was my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice Lip Liner. I typically will mix it with like Kimchi Doll lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics, and then I pop this gloss on, and it's gorgeous. And today I have the Honey Gloss by Persona Cosmetics, which again was one in our Boxy Luxe box for September. And then I added just a hint of the e.l.f. oil right into the center of my lips, and it's super comfortable. They mix well together, and the e.l.f. one I think is like only $6. So anyways, guys, I was trying to keep this video under 20 minutes and I did it. I will come back. I'll talk about makeup because I have been purchasing some makeup. I did pick up the Pat McGrath Celestial, I forget what else it's called, palette. It's like her largest palette she's ever created. I'm very intrigued by that because after the 10% off, we got it for like $70 and change. So I'm like, why? That's a heck of a deal coming from Pat McGrath. So I'm really excited about that. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on it or just some looks with it. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram because I definitely will be coming back and playing with the palette over there. And thank you again to Dossier for not only sending me over these perfumes, but for partnering with me because I reached out to them again and I wanted to remind you guys about how wonderful Dossier and how affordable their products are. Like I said, you kind of can't beat it with the holidays coming up. Getting perfumes, like nice expensive perfumes for under $40, and you have that whole risk-free type of dealio. So it's a nice way to treat yourself and everything. I'll have all the information down below. Like I said, they typically will have like coupon discounts for the more you purchase on their perfumes as well. So again, thank you guys for partnering with me on today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy the Dossier perfume as much as I do. Like I said, my favorite one, which I have on today, is the Oriental Woody 7, which has now been renamed. That one is for the VIKTOR and Roth, and it smells delicious. It's even my youngest, her favorite scent as well. So anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. Like I said, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. There will be another giveaway going on over there, as well as the 30K giveaway should be going on right now on our channel. Thank you again, guys, for the 30K. Thank you for taking time out of your day to hit that subscribe button, to watch my content and be a part of our Hot Mess family. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.